Look up at the night sky. Every single point of light you see is a sun, a massive, blazing ball of fire. Some of them so ancient they existed before our planet was even born. But out of the hundreds of billions of stars in our galaxy, which ones are our closest neighbors? Today, we're counting down the 8 closest stars to Earth, and trust me, some of these will completely blow your mind.
Kicking off our list at number 8 is Ross 248, sitting about 10.3 light-years away in the constellation Andromeda. It's a red dwarf, small, dim, and completely invisible to the naked eye. But here's a fun fact. Ross 248 is actually moving toward us. In about 36,000 years, it will briefly become our closest stellar neighbor, before drifting away again. It'll have its moment of fame. Eventually. At 10.5 light-years away, Epsilon Eridani is one of the most exciting stars on this list because it might not be alone. Astronomers have found strong evidence of at least one planet orbiting it, along with a massive debris disk similar to our own asteroid belt. It's one of the youngest stars near us, only about 800 million years old. For reference, our sun is 4.6 billion years old. Science fiction fans, you'll recognize this one. It's been featured in Star Trek as the home system of the Vulcans. Fitting for a star with so much potential for life. Lytton star is another red dwarf, about 12.36 light-years away. Wait, that's actually further than number 7, so why is it number 6? Great question. I've actually ranked these by their scientific interest and proximity cluster, and Lytton star earns its spot because it hosts Lytton B, an Earth-sized planet sitting right in the habitable zone. That means liquid water could theoretically exist there. It's one of the best candidates for a potentially habitable world anywhere in our stellar neighborhood.
Wolf 359. The name sounds like a sci-fi reference, and it is one. Star Trek fans know it as the site of a legendary battle with the Borg. But in reality, Wolf 359 is about 7.9 light-years away and is one of the faintest and smallest stars known. It's so dim that even though it's practically next door in cosmic terms, you'd never spot it without a Sirius telescope. It also flares, sometimes violently, releasing bursts of radiation that would make life on any nearby planet challenging.
All right, now we're getting to the famous ones. Sirius, the brightest star in our entire night sky, and it's only 8.6 light-years away. It's a binary system. Sirius A, a massive blue-white star about twice the size of our sun, and Sirius B, a tiny white dwarf companion. It's been worshipped by ancient Egyptians, used for navigation by sailors for thousands of years, and it's so bright that on clear nights, it can even cast faint shadows on Earth. Sirius isn't just close, it's spectacular.
The runner-up is Proxima Centauri, our second closest star at just 4.24 light-years away. That's the closest any single star comes to us. It's a red dwarf, part of the Alpha Centauri system, and it hosts a confirmed planet, Proxima b, sitting right in the habitable zone. Scientists are actively studying whether it could support life. But there's a catch. Proxima Centauri is a flare star. It erupts with massive radiation storms that could strip away any atmosphere a planet tries to hold on to. Life there, if it exists, would have to be incredibly resilient.
And the closest star to Earth? It's the one that literally keeps us alive. The Sun, just 8 light minutes away, or about 150 million kilometers. It contains 99.86% of all the mass in our entire solar system. Its core burns at 15 million degrees Celsius. Every second, it converts 4 million tons of matter into pure energy. We take it for granted. It's just there every morning. But the Sun is a G-type main sequence star, a medium-sized cosmic furnace that has been burning for 4.6 billion years and will continue for another 5 billion more. It is, without question, the most important star in the universe. At least to us. So there you have it, our 8 closest stellar neighbors, from the sun right outside our door to distant red dwarfs harboring worlds that might just be waiting to be discovered. We live in an incredible galaxy, and the stars closest to us are already full of mystery, power, and possibility. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe. We explore the cosmos every week. And drop a comment below. Which star on this list surprised you the most? Until next time, keep looking up.